Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Yahoo account password. So first of all, to change the password, you need to be logged into your Yahoo account. So there are two ways you can change your password. The first one is through Yahoo homepage, which is yahoo.com, and from Yahoo Mail homepage. Now first I'll show you how to change your password from the Yahoo Mail homepage. After you log into your Yahoo Mail account, the page looks similar like this, and you have to click on the round badge with your name initials on it on the top right side of the screen, and you'll see this small pop-up screen. And in this screen, click on Account Info. So you will be taken to a new tab. Now I'll show you how to do it from the Yahoo homepage. Yahoo homepage also, it's similar. You have to click on the round badge on the top right side of the screen with your name initials. And in this pop-up screen, go to Settings. Now you're on the same page like before from the Yahoo Mail homepage. So it's same process from now. So I'll close one tab. Now in this page, you have to go to Account Security, which is on the left side of the screen, which is the second option. So click on that. Below Account Security on the right side of the screen, you can see Change Password option. So you have to click on that to change your Yahoo account password. So now I'll go ahead and click on this, Change Password. Now you'll see this login style box in which you can enter your new desired password for your Yahoo account. So while choosing a password, choose a very strong password with the mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. But choose a password that you can easily remember. Now I'll go ahead and enter a new password for my account, and in confirm new password also enter the same password, and now click on continue, which is on the bottom of the screen, and it's done. Your Yahoo account password is changed. This is all the process that you need to follow to change your Yahoo account password. And if this video was helpful to you, please like this video and please don't forget to subscribe for other helpful updates.